Hi, my name is John from the Edmonton Mopar Association, and today at Sherwood Park Dodge we brought a bunch of our cars together. They could be Dodges, they're a Mopar product and everything like that, so that's Jeep, AMC, Dodge, Plymouth, Chrysler, Dodge trucks. We don't narrow it down to 7. They don't have to be fully restored or anything like that. If you got just an ordinary everyday, it's got some rust on it, we don't care. You know, we just want you to come out and enjoy the group and have a lot of fun. These are some of the cars there. This is actually my particular car and stuff like that. It's a 67 Dart GTS 383 big block. They only made it for 5 months, so this is one of 228 ever made. This is a really nice car or truck. It's a 1980 D100 and stuff like that, but if you look under there, yep, it's got a Hemi, you know. This is Jeff's car and stuff. It's got the real neat little sound. So we got stuff like that. You know, we got we got a sheriff's car here. Then we got another 67 Dart GT. This one's been modified a little bit. It's not quite stock. Who else has we got here? We got Gray's car. It's a Hemi car, 33,000 miles. He's got the original Blue Streak tires on it. Mike's car is probably a 1 of 9 or something like that. It's always rare. You know, the newer style. Reed's car is a nice one. What else do we got here? This is one that's he's new to us and stuff like that, but I've seen this car several times in Red Deer. 71 Dodge Challenger. It's very few made of these. So this is Carla Moore's car. Dan and Carla Moore. This one and the one beside there, their husband and wife team. This is just a super clean car. This is Dan's car. Beautiful big block, and it's just killer. Viper GTS, very limited production on those ones. So, this is John from the Edmonton Mopar Association. Check out our page at Edmonton Mopar Association, and also check out Sherwood Park Dodge.